This is a beautiful village in Tiruvannamala district of Tamil Nadu, India. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for important videos on wildlife, nature, and my discoveries. This well may be centuries old. For centuries and centuries, people may have used this well for their drinking purposes, for agriculture purposes, and all their needs. While now they may be getting government water supply, formerly wells like this were the source of water for people living in drought prone Tamil Nadu. But the weaver birds who came here to establish their nets may be a relatively later phenomena. Formerly, they may had many places where they could safely build their nest. But when the human population increased, it became fewer places where they can safely build their nest. Uh, there are trees in and around this place, but trees are not that safe because humans can easily see that, and uh, beforehand many attacks may have taken place against them. But this well is a relatively more safer place because it is not visible from outside, and this well is used by a very few people only now. So it is relatively safe to hide their nest in this place. Only people who come and look inside the well will see them. And this is a beautiful scenery of Tiruvannamala in Tamil Nadu in India. The water from this well is now primarily used for agriculture purposes only. And the weaver birds have found a safe place to build their nests here. This is also an example how birds and other animals adapt to the changes in the nature, especially the explosion of human population, how they adapt uh, to the threat from human beings when they take their eggs, destroy their nests, and even take their nests as a. These birds have found a safe place in the midst of human population in a village. They have found a safe place inside the well so that nobody can come and attack them so easily. The birds, animals, wild animals all have their own instinct and intelligence which had helped them to survive all these centuries. Humans usually tend to think much less of other animals or birds, but in reality, they also have sufficient intelligence and intuition to conserve the population of their species. This is in Tiruvannamala. I request all genuine people to come forward and support the 5 rarest species which I have discovered, including Nilgiri Kadua, Raktadiga and Chupacabra. There are many fishes in the well also. A compact ecosystem.